Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog and welcome to my channel. So right now guys, papunta po kami sa Mandaue, Cebu for the LGBT Pride March. It's a celebration of love, harmony, equality, and humanity. So ngayon guys, kasama ko po si Lexis. Say hi Lexis! Yes, siya po ang pinakamaganda kong kaibigan. Walang chika, chismis lang. Here guys, in Mandaue. So, kasi ang daming tao. Shit naman talaga. Just done doing the registration because registration is very important for the delegation competition, and right now naghihintay na lang kami na mag-start yung parade because time check it's 5:45 and they said mag-start daw 6 p.m. so we could be later. So kasama ko ngayon si Lexis guys, naghihintay, tingnan nyo, pinakamaganda kong best friends, and around me is mga candidates sa Diwata sa Cebu 2019 here. Yung mga kandidata sa Diwata sa Cebu 2019. And around me guys, napakaraming LGBT, the most colorful city today. Napakaraming rainbow colors around you. As you can see guys, andyan, that is the stage. And ito yung maraming float. I don't know if you can hear me kasi ang ingay.
Hi everyone, every 2, every 300, every 10. Welcome to the N1 Mandaue Day Pride!
Hi guys! So, dito po yung mga kasama ko guys. Let's meet Arjan,
From Labangon,
Lexis, and ZN. Sila yung mga kasama ko ngayon sa Pride March. So, dito sa stage guys, they are, may nagpre-prepare for their, they are preparing for their performance later.
they are handsome pero sayang sila kay Maya.
So, ikaw, unsa day ka? Discreet. So, dyan guys, yung mga tao ko sa likod, yan yung mga naka-costume, sasayo sila ng rampada later dito sa stage na ito.
Opo.
After the parade. So guys, hindi pa yung nag-start ang parade. It's already 6 and yeah, nga muna kami rito. Nga, walang ganap. Walang update. Charot lang.
LGBT is an exotic people here in the province.
Hindi lahat ng bansa may LGBT. Charot. Joke lang. Okay ra ka, Ses?
Banana ko na. And then
Okay ra ka, ZN? Oh my God!
Bata!
Hindi pa nag-start yung show. Nasira na siya. So ayan siya guys. Nasira yung nasa likod dahil sa sobrang lakas ng hangin. Ika nga, pag maraming bakla, uulan. Kaso ang dami naman ngayon, kaya bagyo. Bagyo siya guys. Bakla kami.
bata pa lang, ladlad na.
Look at this guys, ang ganda. May unicorn na float. It's very beautiful. And there's very colorful. It's getting dark here. May nagtitinda rin ng rainbow flag for 25 pesos. So guys, may mga call center company pala na sumusuporta ngayon sa LGBT Pride, like Synchrony and Mandaue. Hindi naka-focus. Synchrony and Conduit, they actually supported the activity today, Pride March. So far, sila pa yung mga call center na nakikita ko na may float, may mga tao for the parade. And thank you so much for appreciating LGBT. Guys, dito na park, guys, may mga nagtitinda. So, if ever wala kayong pack lunch, pwede kayo dito bibili ng pagkain. You can see, may mga tempura, mga fried foods. For vegetables. And may pamais din sila, guys. So, guys, nandito muna kami sa commercial cruise kasi umaambon sa labas. And dito muna kami, kakain kami ng their flight. And we would like to thank Vanville for the food. Hi! Hi! We would like also to thank Orange Brutus for the table kasi may dala kami pack lunch. And they allowed us to eat here. Thank you so much for your very supportive, for being allowing us. Guys, discrimination have been a very great issue in our society. So, may pakulo kami. If ever makasulubong namin ng LGBT, tatanungin namin what I can say to those people who discriminate LGBT. So, the Arman, what can you say to those people who discriminate LGBT?
No, I don't give a damn. It's the word respect. So, respect begets respect. That's it.
Respect,
Happy Pride! What can you say to those people who discriminate LGBT?
For those people na nag-discriminate sa mga LGBT like us, is mga tao mga very insecure in their life. Because as human being, we have the rights and the right to live through. Because we are a kind of diverse people, very talented and very outgoing. Muna yung insecurities because even lots of problems, still we can go with it no matter what happened. Thank you!
Happy Pride Month! What can you say to those people who discriminate LGBT?
Just be who you are. Copy lang naman mo.
Laban! Happy Pride! So, what can you say to those people who discriminate LGBT?
Ang masulti ninyo is uno lang ang mga anak ko, wajib mga pabuhat kay mamo din among gusto, so we have a right or freedom to show to a lot of people.
What can you say to those people who discriminate LGBT?
Manigas kayo!
Wala kang makukuha sa inyo.
Happy Pride! So guys, we're gathering here outside the Orange Brutus. And we're gathering outside Orange Brutus kasi magsa-start na yung parade. So right now guys, nag-announce na sila sa arrangement ng parade kung sino yung mga nauna. We're just waiting for our turn kung saan kami papasok. Charot lang. Kung kailan kami lalabas para sa parade. Sa guys, very colorful po dito guys. May mga naka-costume, may mga naka-tube. Pati lift ni ZN, colorful din. Smile! Ayan na guys. The music just started, the parade just started. And we're now moving. We're now moving on.
Halloween party, Halloween.
Sige, may Happy Pride. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy Pride!
Dito sa parade guys, may pa-tribal po si ang tribal kong friend. Charot. So that's it guys for our vlog for today, because as you can see guys, umuulan. Hindi ko naman may sacrifice yung camera ko. So ito na kami ni Lexis sa taxi. Nag-taxi agad kami para hindi kami mabasa sa ulan, kasi nasa kami sa gitna ng daan habang bumubuhos yung ulan. And then that's it guys. I would like to thank everyone who had been part of the event, especially ng mga mothers of LGBT who organized the LGBT Pride March. Thank you so much for the very, very wonderful experience, for the very, very wet experience. Thank you very much. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till my next vlog. Happy Pride!